After capturing an image, select Export. Tap the Edit button to modify the file name or to enter comments. Choose from 4 export destinations: Thermo Fisher Cloud, USB, Network Drive, or Print. Choose a file type. Publication exports adjusted 24-bit color presentation-ready images. Select TIFF, JPEG, or PNG file format. Analysis exports non-adjusted 16-bit black and white images for external image analysis and processing. Choose between TIFF or G2I file formats. The G2I format is specifically for analysis in the Thermo Fisher cloud-based iBright analysis software. Select the desired resolution and the print size. Tap Done. Tap Export. Your image is exported to your specified location. To export multiple images, use the gallery. Tap the gallery icon and toggle between thumbnail view and list view to alter the viewing pane. Tap Images to select, or tap again to deselect. With the Filter Options button, images are filtered easily by keyword, date range, or application. Schedule a live demo today.